Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to enable core isolation in Windows 11. So let's start the video. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 11, Windows 10 and Windows 8.1. So let's start the video. Right click here on search option. Type here under search option core isolation. Core isolation. After that, click on core isolation option, and you can see here core isolation is disabled here. Click on it, turn on it, and restart your laptop and desktop. After that, your core isolation is enabled here. So I hope your problem is fixed here. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos.